Hi Ate Men and Kuya Jello, congratulations sa inyo. Sobrang happy kami para sa inyo. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Sana forever in love kayo and happy. Enjoy your married life and I'll see you soon.
Hi, Mehan and Jello. Happy wedding day. Ito na yung pinaka-masayang araw na pinakahihintay nyo. Finally, husband and wife na kayo. Sana, ano man maging pagsubok na pagdaanan nyo, maging center ng relationship nyo si God, at maging strong ang relationship nyo, magmahalang kayo, tiwala, at magkaisa. Manatili yung pagmamahal nyo, ano man maging pagsubok na pagdaanan nyo. Huwag kayong magbabago. I love you both and happy wedding day.
Hi man, hi Jello. Kumusta kayo dyan? Happy wedding day sa inyong dalawa. Sana lagi kayong magkasundo, huwag kayong mag-away. Mag-away man kayo, huwag na tatapusin ang araw na hindi kayo nagbabate at lagi kayong mag-iingat yan. God bless. Maligaya ako sa inyo para sa inyong dalawa at umayo ka kayo magpaarami.
Congratulations, Tita Me! This wedding marks the beginning of a new journey that will strengthen you as an individual and bring new challenges to embrace. As you step into the role of a wife, and one day, a mother, may this marriage be a foundation for a deeper, stronger bond between you and your partner, which is Tito Jello. Always remember to keep God at the center of your relationship, for His guidance will bless your union with love, harmony, and lasting joy. And always remember that we, your family, is always here for you. Best wishes on this beautiful chapter of your life, Tita Me. We love you.
Congratulations, Tita
Congratulations, Tita Mehan and Tito Jello.
All the best to your new journey.
All the best.
Remember, happy wife.
Happy life.
Bye. See you soon.
Have something to say?
Say hi, Tita. Hi, Tita.
See you soon.
Congratulations, Tita.
Bye.
Hello, Tita Me. Hello, Tito Jello. Congratulations to your wedding. Wishing you endless love and happiness in your new life together. May your love continue to grow stronger with each passing moment. Mahal ko po kayong dalawa. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Mehan, I wish you all the best, you and Jello. Both together. Patience. Marriages need patience. Inshallah, one day we see your kids, American, talking, hey, what's up, bro? Okay?
To my beloved sister Anne and to my newly brother-in-law Jello, welcome to our family. Wishing you two a lifetime of happiness and togetherness. Always love, respect, and forgive each other. No matter what challenges you face, remember that God is your strength. We're always here for you.
Mehan, I want to tell you, you went to America, but don't change your tongue. One day say, hey, what's up, bro? Please, man. Okay? Happy marriage life. We love you.
Hello anak, Jairo Anan. Happy wedding day. Congratulations. Alam kong masaya kayo. Nandito lang si Mama. Masasabi ko lang kayo, huwag kalimutan palaging magdasal kayo at I love you anak. Bye!